Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. This is another vlogging day. I'm heading on out to get my stuff I need to do my job a little later. A little preparing before doing is a good thing, as long as you know they all fit. Oh man, do you know where we hang out, YouTube? They got that shorts going. And GoPro is smart enough to make the Hero 11 with that taller sensor, that 7x8 or 8x7, that you can make your shorts out of that video. And that's something I am now thinking about with GoPro. But you know, Cyberlink and Magix, when you put 8x7 video in, and you try to make it 16x9 on the side or 9x16, there's a lot of cropping, a lot of doing, you know, one of those things. You can do it, but you got to do it yourself. I was looking for the words aspect ratio and clicking off of it to bring the sides in. And that's stretching the picture, not cutting the picture out. So, do you do a lot of cropping rather than stretching the aspect ratio with 8x7? Yeah, I get it. I believe I got it. Now, I'm doing a lot of thinking out loud, sharing my thoughts to you, what things are about. I did a DRC 2104 Challenger video with the GoPro on my head using that head strap, and I forgot. I didn't have Hyper Smooth on. I turned it off for some reason, and I can't recall why. My video was just like you see my head bobbling a little. It wasn't too bad. And I did my vlog, you know, doing retrofit, and I didn't have Hyper Smooth. And this time I made sure I had my Hyper Smooth on. So it is holding strong. And I like to get another GoPro. I really do. It's better than the DJI in ways, and DJI is better in GoPro in different ways. So which is the better camera? You have to decide that. I know I love both. We're heading in to Lowe's, my favorite place. I got what I needed, and off I go. I got what I needed just like that. And man, overnight they changed their cash register systems. They put an extra aisle in of self-registering out and brand new machines just like that. Yeah, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I said it all, did it all, showed it all. Hope you'll have a good time no matter what you're doing with the camera or without. Enjoy your product. If it's a DJI, a GoPro, or whatever you're buying, it's always a good thing to have fun with what you're doing. Have a great day. I'm Fish. See you on many other videos to come.